Hey there, I am Charity from the Philippines. I am a licensed professional teacher. I've been teaching on campus for almost 10 years now. And I also have an experience in teaching online in some particular schools here in my place. During my free time, I do vlogging and video editing. I can dance, I can act, I can sing, and I am also TFL certificate holder, which means I can teach kids, young professionals, and as well as adults. I'd love to make my lessons interesting, engaging, and informative. So please don't hesitate to book a class with me. Thank you so much. See ya.